maybe happy anniversary. Anyway, jokes aside, welcome to Ethiopia, welcome to Totot. We're very happy to have you here. Now, everybody, please, I would like to invite Adonai to the stage if you got some words to say. And then we go to the music and dancing and everything. So, applause to Adonai, please.
ሰላም ሰላም የሀገሬ ልጆች እንዴት ናችሁ? ሁላችሁም ደህና ናችሁ? ጭብጨባ ጭብጨባ ጭብጨባ። ሁላችሁም ስለመጣችሁ እዚህ ስለተገኛችሁ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። ባህላችን ሀገራችን እያስተዋወቅን ያለነው በዓለም ደረጃ ማለት ነው። ዲለን ፔጅን እዚህ ኢንቫይት አድርገን በጣም ውስጤ በጣም ደስታ እየተሰማኝ ነው። ያው ላለቅስ እየተናነቀኝ ነበር እንባ እንግዲህ ለማቆም እየሞከርኩ ነበረ ቢካዝ ቶቶት ከጠበቅኩት በላይ አዘጋጅታችሁ ነው የጠበቃችሁት። ሰርፕራይዝ አድርጋችሁናል። ኢቭን ዲላንም ለራሱ ማመን አልቻለም እና ዲለን I would like to say welcome to Ethiopia. This is what it is, man. This is the family that you're seeing here. We love each other and we're even learning to love and accept each other even more. We are human beings. We have some flaws as everyone does, but we choose to hug each other. We choose to give gursha to each other and we choose to care for each other, and I think it's going to change the world. Ethiopia is not just a country but also a country that shifts the frequency of the world. As you may know, a lot of people are struggling, but because of the love that we created inside this room right here, a lot of people are healing in their hearts. And I just want to say thank you so much. I wish you're feeling love. I wish you're feeling acceptance because we love you and we accept you. As I told you when we were in London, we don't listen to your words, we listen to your energy. And you have a pure heart and a pure energy, and I resonate with you. Ethiopian people resonate with you. That's why everybody's gathered to show love. So I just want to say we love you so much. Maddie, you're also such an amazing person, such a supportive girlfriend to Dylan, and we love you so much. Thank you for coming to Ethiopia.
አዶናይ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ስፔሻሊ ደግሞ በቅርብ ጊዜ ከመጡ ኢትዮጵያን በዓለም መድረክ ላይ ለማስጠራት እየሞከሩ ካሉ ኢንፍሉዌንሰሮች ውስጥ ዋነኛው ነውና እጅግ በጣም አድርገን እናመሰግናለን። እንግዲህ ለሁላችሁም አንድ ሜሴጅ ማስተላለፍ እፈልጋለሁ። የዛሬው የዲላን አቀባበል በቶቶት የተደረገው አቀባበል ኢትዮጵያ እንግዶቿን ኢትዮጵያ የሚወዷትን የሚያከብሯትን እንዴት አድርጋ አሽሞን ሞላ እንደምትቀበል ለማሳየት የተደረገ ጥረት ነውና ቶቶት ኢትዮጵያ